So I'm going again, bigger one. So now I have score 50, power 50, speed 103 passes. Before I want to say I have this, so for my iron stuff to test it, it goes, well, we can check it, we have a few minutes and it really goes kind of fast. It goes from 230 to 260. So this is enough to do. So a regular old school robos can do the trick. So no need to buy anything. Maybe at least this is what, I have no idea how many centimeters goes left and right. Okay, this one is still working. Yeah, here a few. Well, let's check it out. So this one goes 11 centimeters and 13 centimeters. So yeah, I hope this one will go in. I'm gonna cover it with one press. If not, I'm gonna iron it like a shirt. Which is fine with me. So let's check out what's gonna do now with 8 passes of cutting. Now, this is 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Am I counting correctly? 5, this one is 5. I'm thinking about my air assist because I have it off. It's off. So let's say this. Okay, so he's, yeah baby, remove yourself. Yeah. Okay, so it is carrying. God damn. I can do this now. It still sticks. Still sticks. Separate. It still sticks. You can see it clearly that it's up in between. It doesn't wanna fucking go away. Come on. You fucking cunt. Oh, goddamn. It looks like I gotta... Well, I'm gonna try this one now. Yeah, well, okay. So let's go put this one in. Chicken. Gotta remove this one. Okay. I have no idea what's on. Okay, we gotta go a little bit from that side. It's going out. Removing it cool. Okay. Are you working on? Yup. Yeah, alrighty then. So let's heat it up a little bit. Like this. Then we stick it on like a little bit. Like this. Then put this on. Like this. And then let's go. This really is kind of a just do it for yourself, for no one else. If you really wanna have this kind of a t-shirt, really wanna, then go and do it. So I'm going for a full minute of kind of a pressing it enough. You know what? If you wanna stick it, stick it. If you don't wanna stick it, don't. You can stick it. Ta-da! The only thing that I still didn't check around is what's up with the. Do I peel this when it's hot or when it's cold? So I'm learning with each and every one that I'm doing it. Oh, pure pleasure. Oh, I'm happy.